Before I get into showing the Astro Excel for the month of October, I'm going to take a look at the September pattern and review that quickly. The price action is the 1 hour chart of the ES marked on the top. The bottom is the September Astro Excel. You can see the dates at the bottom of both charts. I transposed an approximate red line that looks similar to the green line, and you can see how the price action followed that particular line. The line was pretty good for most of the month. We had a bit of a miss here halfway through this downtrend period where we traded up and then sideways. I marked that with a rectangle. Otherwise, the rest of the pattern for general movement was pretty good. This does not give us price amplitude. It just gives us general direction and trend pressure. Okay, moving on to the month of October chart. We had a bullish move up to the early morning of the 3rd, pushing down to the early morning of the 5th, banging around the 0 line till the 7th, where we turn up at the midnight hour and get up above the plus 10 area here into the 8th. Movement down into the 9th around 8 a.m. A push back up to the plus 10 line. After 0, midnight on the 10th, then we're moving down to about 8, 9 a.m. on the 11th. Back up to the 13th at midnight, making a move down below the 0 line to the 14th at about noontime, and then we're pushing up. We've got an up move till the 16th down into the 17th. Most of these transitions are around midnight. And then we get our biggest bullish push of the month, where we peak out here on the 20th at 2 a.m. at about the plus 35 level. Then we've got a strong move down into the 23rd to the minus 18, 16, 18 area at 11 a.m. on the 23rd, back up, peaking on the 25th here at midnight, down to 4 p.m. on the 25th. Then we've got an up down through the 27th, and then up on the 28th to early morning of the 29th at 8 a.m. A move down to the end of the day session at 1600 on the 30th and up through the 31st. So that's the Astro Excel trend pressure for October, and a look back at the pattern from September.